Investing will not make you rich, but this will. Well, wherever you are right now is a result of your thinking and your past and your current situation. Well, a lot of people want to be rich, but the thinking is different and understanding. So here I want to add something very valuable. I find myself through experience and also through others. Investing by itself, like one thing, will never make you rich. There is a context to this. I want you to understand the context that I'm speaking about. Whenever I see ads like penny stock trading or oh, I made $1 million trading in stocks with this one thing, day trading, those are what I'm talking about. So when you see these ads that are very hypey and you see like those things, that's what I'm talking about. So investing by itself is not going to be one magic thing, but it is a part of a well planned portfolio, well planned financial plan for you. And don't get me wrong, investing is useful to protect your wealth and increase your passive income, and there are many other ways it can be used. But here, what I mean to say is, it by itself, one thing, one shot, or one technique will not make you very rich. But there's one thing that is proven many times, and I'll share with you what it is. But for that, much is required, and it's about you if you really want to do that, and I'll cover that. Now, before I go into that, I do want to cover the value investing part, which is the positive side, which is more believable and also is more track record. But having said that, I had to say that investments by themselves are all different. They don't have exact results depending on many situations. Some people get much better results, some people get average results, and then sometimes don't work out. So in that context, what I want to emphasize is a balanced review with value investing, real estate investing, and sometimes some opportunity like trading stocks. Sometimes when you have extreme fear and greed, there are some opportunities. So there are some things that can be useful sometimes, but they are never by themselves one thing you do and become rich. That's what I want to emphasize here. With that being said, so let me reveal the one thing that is proven. Okay, so that is the taking your company IPO. When you take your company public IPO, that's when a lot of people become very rich, become they own the stock, and that's how they become billionaires. Now that is not for everybody, and it requires much more than what you say, what is like. It depends on a lot of things. But if it's your goal, that's fine. But the other people, they just want a lifestyle business or have a nice side business or just have investments to protect their savings. So depending on your situation, you can see what it is for you. Having said that, the number one way is to have your own business, and then you can leverage it to have more leverage to have more income, and then you can do that into savings and put it into investments. So with that being said, the investment itself can be value investing, can be growth investing, can be real estate investing, can be dividend based investing. So all these things can be like a good portfolio depending on what is right for you and where you are in your life with your age and your situation. So it has to be something customized and specific for you, and not what something works for me may not work for you. But that's the overall picture of the investments and how your savings can push into the investments. So basically, if you have a business that's have more leverage, you can increase the business income and then push into investments. Or if you have a job, improve your skill sets in the job to have a higher income from the job and then put in the savings, the investments. That's other way. If you, that's what your thing is, depending on people where you are. So hope you got something out of this. Basically, when I see these ads that says, "Oh, day trading become so much stuff," blah 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 blah, blah, they are not so trustworthy, and some of them are like that. So hope you get something out of this. So subscribe and like and comment below, and you'll see my email contact if you want to contact.